If you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nicola Tesla.
This widely shared quote holds a profound truth. The universe and life are in constant resonance. And this resonance flows through us, through our bodies, our emotions, and yes, even our skin. Every cell in our body vibrates at subtle frequency. Our emotions directly affect how energy flows within us. Our skin isn't just a surface, it's a reflection of our internal state. This is awareness that HeptaGlow seeks to awaken. True beauty is not just about appearance, it's a frequency, a form of energy in expression. Why energy, frequency, and vibration matter? Because you are not just a physical being, you are an energetic being. The glow on your skin is a mirror of your internal energetic balance. When we release tension, nourish ourselves, and reactivate our natural flow, our vibration rises and suddenly our skin glows brighter. Our eyes sparkle with clarity, and we begin to feel light, magnetic, and alive. This is the secret behind HeptaGlow. You may have tried facial yoga, massage tools, expensive skincare products, or even high-tech beauty devices. Yet the results were barely noticeable, or even worse. You may have blamed your techniques or wondered if you did it all wrong, but I'm here to tell you the real issue wasn't your method. It was that you lost your connection with yourself. You became disconnected from your body, your skin, your energy field. You stopped listening to what your body has been trying to tell you. Your skin, your lifelong companion, may know you deeply, but perhaps you've become a stranger to her. That's the mission of HeptaGlow, to help you reconnect with her and ultimately with yourself. This isn't just a skincare method. It's a full spectrum vibrational beauty system that works from inside out. It starts from tiniest frequencies to lift, heal, and illuminate not just your skin, but your whole presence. With just a few minutes each day, you will begin to notice sharper contours, brighter complexion. Most importantly, you will feel lighter, clear, and empowered. You will have more energy to face challenges. You will feel more confident on camera or in meetings. And you will notice a shift in how others perceive you, not just because you look better, but because you are radiating. True beauty isn't just a surface glow, it's an energetic state. HeptaGlow isn't here to just help you look better. It's here to help you reignite your glow in every part of life. And that transformation won't come from another bottle of cream. It starts with a deeper connection to yourself. So, what is HeptaGlow? HeptaGlow is a comprehensive beauty program from Hepta Academy. It blends natural skincare, facial massage, meridian activation, frequency alignment, breath awareness, and emotional tuning, all designed to awaken your innate radiance from skin to soul. This is more than skincare. This is a system that recharges your energy engine for life. HeptaGlow contains the following contents. First, frequency tuning, breath work, and sound healing to balance your body's energy and reduce aging stress. Number 2, facial flow, expert facial massage techniques to activate lymphatic detox and healthy circulation. Number 3, energy radiance. Meridian and acupressure methods to release facial stagnation and awaken your natural vitality. Number 4, natural nutrition. Nourish your skin from the inside out with plant-based healing support. Number 5, mind glow connection. Mindfulness meditation to ease anxiety and bring softness and calm back to your face. Number 6, sustainable rituals. Create your personal sustainable glow routine. Simple, doable, effective. Number 7, holistic glow hormone. You're not just one part. You're a whole being. Real glow comes from whole person alignment. All of this is integrated within a master methodology. M stands for mindfulness, the foundation and the starting point of true health. Without awareness, no transformation can take root. A stands for automation, a solution to one of the most common modern-day challenges: time management. Many people don't give up on wellness because they're unwilling, but because they feel they don't have the time. Automating healthy habits makes it possible to stay consistent, even in a busy life. S stands for sustainability, because even the best method will fail without consistency. Achieving sustainability isn't just about willpower, it's about designing the right system that supports you over the long term. T stands for tailoring, a method that is entirely unique to you. Everyone is different, and that means your approach to wellness must be personalized and adaptable. Your wellness code evolves with time, lifestyle, and environment. So, your method must evolve with it. E stands for energy, the driving force behind both beauty and wellness. Without energy, it's hard to stay mindful, impossible to automate habits, and difficult to sustain progress. Energy fuels everything. Without it, even the best plans become fleeting bursts of motivation. R stands for ritual, the daily practices that infuse our life with meaning and momentum. Rituals help us stay grounded, focused, and passionate. They give structure to our plans and sense of hope and joy to our everyday life, making transformation not only possible, but lasting. You're probably wondering, is HeptaGlow truly right for you? Here's who's especially designed for. HeptaGlow is ideal for people who embrace natural wellness and beauty and are seeking a safe, holistic, and sustainable skincare solution. Have tried countless skincare products, massage techniques, or facial devices, but seen little to no results. Struggle with sagging, puffiness, dullness, or facial tension, and are longing to restore natural radiance. Experience chronic stress, poor sleep, or emotional tension that affects their skin and overall appearance. Want to establish a daily self-healing facial care ritual that's easy to follow and truly effective. Are curious about energy, frequency, and the mind-body connection, and desire a deeper level of inner and outer beauty. Led a busy or chaotic life and long to find the moment of calm and clarity in the midst of it all. Have a sense of faith, gratitude, and kindness in their heart. Possess a spiritual awareness and wish to improve their health and skin from mind-body-soul perspective. If you are resonant with at least 2/3 of the above, I'm confident to tell you that there is a high chance that HeptaGlow is exactly what you have been searching for. But if you are still unsure, that's perfectly okay. I offered a free 30-minute one-on-one consultation for everyone interested. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, sculpt your face, lose weight naturally, or simply reconnect with your inner self. We can talk first. There's no sales pressure, just a space to understand your needs and see if HeptaGlow is right for you. HeptaGlow is here to help you listen to your inner voice and know yourself better, activate the healing energy within your body, and rebuild connection between mind, body, and spirit. Realign your frequency and let your light shine. You're welcome to leave me a message or send an email anytime. Wish you peace, health, and the glow that shines from within.